Welcome to the second tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at the history of immigration in the UK and changing patterns. A census is an official count of the population to find out about the changes taking place. Immigration is leaving your homeland to live in another country. Ethnicity is someone's cultural background. Immigration is coming to another country to live there. Throughout its history, people have moved and settled in Britain from many different countries. They have brought their language, their ideas and customs with them, which helps make up our culture. The Romans, Saxons, Vikings and Normans invaded Britain and stayed, bringing their customs with them. Then peaceful migrations from Europe and former British colonies took place. Many people left Ireland in the 1840s following the potato famine. Polish people came here after the Second World War when their country was occupied by the Nazis and then by the Soviet Army. Jewish people have moved to this country for years, but particularly during the 1930s and 40s to escape religious and racial persecution in Europe and Russia. From the 1950s, many people from Britain's former colonies moved here. As the European Union has expanded, more people have moved to Britain from these countries, moving to the UK for work and better opportunities for their family. Take a look at this table to see other examples of migration to this country. Can you think of reasons why people move to Britain? Here are some of the reasons. This is a table showing the ethnic groups living in the UK, taken from census data. In 2001, the population of the country was 91% white, and in 2011 it was 86%. In the same time period, the Indian population increased from 2% to 2.3%, Pakistani from 1.4% to 1.9% and African from 0.9% to 1.8%, for example. In the exam you might be asked to explain 2 reasons why the UK is a culturally diverse society, or to describe the changes to the ethnic makeup of the UK.
We go together like Rama Rama Rama, ding 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 dong, remember forever as you